can I just get a moment of silence for this right here, because this is killing it right now. Check me out, y'all. I'm feeling like a Bratz doll in the flesh. Look at this. Glorious.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancies, but alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me, and you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this gorgeous unit that's on my head. This is from the Zury Sis collection. I'm wearing it in the style Luna, and I'm wearing it in the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancies, but alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me, and you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek or what I speak. A bit of peace to let my mind at ease. And music's all I need, a little comical relief. Grief comes in waves, so maybe that's why y'all been drowning. Smiles to the world, but in your bathroom you are frowning. Down in the uppers for supper just to feel down again. I know you're lost, but ain't no shame in getting found again. Fuck synthetic happiness, the ultimate deception. I'd rather feel alive even if swimming in depression. Cause I never wanna lose myself to the power of possession. No materialistic things that seem to lead you to aggression. Yeah, what am I protecting? What you been neglecting? I'm talking sense of self, I know my presence is a present. Elevation is my favorite type of antidepressant. Even through life's devastation, know my vibes illuminescent.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it grow. I know I can see your eyes closed, cause my eyes be wide open and now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free, suppose. I can hear the weak that you're sneaking and seeking to dispose. I'm smelling inside of your clothes, repelling the stuff in my nose.
Okay, you guys, so the cap construction on this unit is your typical 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. It does come pre-tweezed, and it also does come with baby hairs. The length on it is crazy long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it comes below my boobs. The cap size is, I want to say, definitely small and medium head friendly. I do wear my units with a wig grip band, and it is fitting my head very nicely. So if you do have a head that's on the larger size, I think this one definitely could work for you because it's fitting me just fine with no issues. It doesn't feel too tight. So I do want to say this could be small, medium, and big head friendly. The density on it is from 150 to 180, definitely at the top. It's super full, and then it thins out at the bottom. The texture on it is definitely a medium hard sort of yaki. It's not super soft and it's not silky. It's like right in the middle, and I am all here for it. It's definitely not too hard, but it definitely feels like it will hold its curl pattern. And I do like this curl pattern. It feels like it's more of a spiral curl than your typical curl, so I'm all here for that. Let me just come in a little bit and show you the hairline. I feel like the hairline could be tweezed out some more to give you more of a natural look. But if you weren't necessarily all here for doing all that work, you definitely could just get away with wearing it as is. But if you wanted to get it to have a more natural look, I probably would just go in and pluck out the hairline just a little bit more. It's not looking super dense, but I feel like it could use a little bit of work, but nothing that's too much, and I feel like it definitely would be worth it. You do get a 13x4 parting space on this unit as well, so that's all good. Now let me just give you a 360 of what this is looking like. I definitely really like this unit a lot, and I feel like I will pick it up again. It's giving me like Brazilian, boho, free-spirited hippie vibes, and it's nice, and it's full, and it's pretty, and I'm all here for it. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, and comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.